Tell us from your experience how difficult it is for companies and compliance professionals in general in these companies to keep the companies compliant. Where does this complexity come from?
Actually, frankly speaking, nowadays the AI is not only using by the companies, but the government is also using AI. A lot of government softwares, the notices, the assessments, the eKYCs, and all the system-driven notices are coming to the companies. So the technology is not using only by the companies like us or our panelists, but the technology is similarly using by the government of India and various departments. And multiple checks, quarterly and annually and half-yearly checks, and they are taking a lot of data, and data-driven technologies coming in, and notices are coming to the companies. So all these challenges are coming to the industry, and how we become the tech savvy, and how our factories and our corporate offices, family offices become tech savvy, and to complete all the compliances in that way. So it will be good for a company, for a promoter, for independent directors, for the board, and specifically very, very important role for a company secretary and legal like us, for not a tick the box approach, but the actual implementation and a strategy for a company for all the compliances is very, very important. Nowadays, in the board, the independent directors are having their own profile. They are having some personal liabilities. The board is very, very big and very challenging. Specifically, when the government is coming with the new notifications, new laws, new taxes, every day there is some different email which is coming to the company's email ID of the company secretaries or the compliance person. So taking all these aspects and implementing that in actual into the system, into the various locations, and getting benefits of it, and actual implementation, not the tick the box approach, is very, very important for the companies.